So this is a quick video about getting started with the very popular Brother P-Touch PT-H110 label maker. This is a P-Touch label maker like many others, but it has this sort of vertical layout and has a couple differences from the standard Brother P-Touch. So I want to do a couple videos about it. First thing you do when you get it is you're going to have to install the batteries. You may see this DC in, this adapter, and think, hey, where's my adapter? And look for it in the packaging, but it's optional. It's not included with the standard PT-H110 box. So you can get one of these. It's a pretty standard 9-volt in. You could buy one from Brother, you could buy a universal one, whatever, but one is not included. So to get this thing going, you're gonna have to open up the case using this right here. Just push it and pull this brown, gray piece off, and you're going to have to install 6 AAA batteries. So normally something like this, you use a AA, but this uses AAA. I'm using these very standard Amazon AAA, and they go in 2 layers, just like this. Just put the positive side in first, and then slide the negative in. And again, 3 one way, 3 the other way, and you will be fully powered on. If you use this thing a whole lot, then you will want to go ahead and get the AC adapter, but it's definitely not required, and these things have pretty good battery life. Next, you're going to install the cartridge. This is what's being printed on. It's the sticker, whatever you want to call it. You get a sample one in here, and this is the very standard 12 millimeter, so it's 0.47 inches. And this is sample. It's fully functional. It just means you get less tape in one of these than you would in the normal one. And you could buy these aftermarket. And there, don't even have to buy the Brother one. I've done videos on this in the past. To install this, you just open up this plastic wrap, and you put it in like this. Think about this as being where the tape exits to go through here, through the cutter. That's right here. So you just put this green thing here where it has the little ratchets or whatever. Slide it in, pop it in. It'll have a nice pop sound to it. That goes back on. Hit power, and we'll do a test print. And now your Brother P-Touch PT-H110 is ready to go. Thanks for watching.